All right, the power supply is reconnected. I think we're back in business. Let's just run a few tests before we take it outside. Sheldon, we got Wi-Fi. Check. GPS. Check. Battery charged. Check.
4 hours of our lives gone? Check.
All right, all systems go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's what my train used to do.
Ready to call tech support?
Give me the number. Probably wind up talking to some foreign guy who's reading from the same manual I have.
Call is important to us. All our technicians are busy helping other customers. Please stay on the line, and someone will be with you shortly.
What happened to me? When did I become an old man, baffled by modern technology? Next thing you know, I'll be hitching my pants up to my armpits and complaining about the awful music the kids are listening to.
Well, it is awful, isn't it? Listen to that noise.
Hang on. It's working. I did it.
Why do you do that?
No idea, but I did it.
You shouldn't be flying it inside.
I'm not flying it.
Then who is?
I don't know. Must be getting a Wi-Fi signal from somewhere else.
Initiate landing sequence! Initiate landing sequence! Hey, the camera's working. Oh, look, it's me.
Export, can I help you?
Yes, it's a robot uprising. Call the police.
So you really think they liked it?
Oh, sweetie, it was the best speech I've